Alright guys, let's change out these lights for you. So, first thing you're going to want to do, sorry, I'm not a cameraman, I'm not a YouTuber, so don't get mad at me. But the first thing you're going to want to do is take this plastic panel off right here underneath the bumper. Butts up right next to the exhaust here. There's 3 little plastic tabs here. They pop out real easy with, I mean, honestly, you could just use your fingernail, but a little flathead screwdriver gets the job done real easy. All right, this is gonna pop out. I've already done this, so my LEDs are already in the turn signal and reverse light. Turn signal up here, reverse light down here. My LEDs are already in, but I'm just taking it out just to show you for instructional purposes. Okay, we got 2 little plastic bolts holding this plastic panel up right here. You just need to take one off right here. You can take the other one off over here if you want to. It doesn't really need it. But just pop this little plastic bolt holding it out. There we go. Pop that out. That's gonna come loose. And all you just need this to kind of dangle free away from everything. Okay, you got your sound dampening back there. And then that's what we're looking for. That's your reverse light, and then up behind there, this right here is your turn signal. And it's literally easy as twist, pull the old out. Oh, I should probably mention, turn your car off, unplug your battery just for safety. This won't short circuit anything, but just to be safe, anytime you're dealing with electronics, even household stuff, always make sure your power's off. Take the old bulb out. And to do that, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Do that, you literally just pull the connectors out. That's it. And then put the new one back in when you're ready. For this demonstration purpose, so obviously I've already got the LEDs in, but you would take the old halogen out. Put the new bulb in, line it up, and twist. Make sure it's seated in there good. Move on to the turn signal. Turn signal, you have to reach behind this metal bracket here. Well, I mean, it's part of the whole assembly here. Reach behind this. Make sure you're reaching on this little orange housing up here. It can get kind of tricky if you have big hands, but you can reach your finger up there, and there's a spot for you to grab right there. You just twist, pull that one out, and you do the same exact thing. It's really, really simple. Let's see here. All right, and then once you're done with all that, put your housing back in place. Line this up properly. Get your clips back in. And just push. They'll click into place. Super, super simple, guys. Boom. Done. These are, I'll link the lights that I used. I'll link the description down below. If you guys are interested, I don't get any kind of kickback. This is literally just for instructional purposes. I don't give a shit what you all use, as long as you're happy. All right, let's go fire it up and show you there's no error lights, error codes coming up on the dash. And you'll be good to go. and no error lights. Y'all have fun, all right?